morning students. Welcome in our science class. Students, you know we divide science in so many branches, but in our 10th class we divide science into 3 parts or branches, that is chemistry, physics and biology. Okay, so today we will start with the chemistry. The first chapter, that is chemical reactions and equations. This chapter is from chemistry branch. Okay, so to understand the chemical reaction, we have to go in previous classes, especially in 9th class, where you already studied about the physical and chemical changes. Clear? Now we will revise what is a physical change. Students, you know physical change do not involve any chemical change. Clear? For example, melting of wax, if sponge absorbs water. Clear? Cutting of trees. So many examples are around us which shows only physical change. Clear? So this we can explain with the help of an example. See, this is a piece of paper. If we tear this paper into parts, so we will get new 2 pieces of. The nature of this paper and the nature of this paper is same. Clear? Means if we tear the paper, then the chemical nature or the chemical compound of the paper and the chemical compound of this paper is same. But if we burn this paper, अगर आप इसको जलाते हैं, तो what you will get बेटा? See, if we burn this paper, then see, this paper is burning and we are getting a new compound. See, we will get ashes. Clear? See, this ashes means it forms a new compound. So, this is burning of paper is an example of chemical change. Chemical change involves what? It involves chemical change. Means here the nature of the compound after changing will change. Clear है? फिजिकल चेंज में कुछ भी चेंज करने पर वहाँ पर चेंज नहीं होता है, बट इन केमिकल चेंज अगर आप थोड़ा सा चेंज करते हैं तो द नेचर ऑफ द कंपाउंड विल चेंज एंड अ वेरी न्यू कंपाउंड इज फॉर्म. अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? सी, बिफोर बर्निंग इट इज अ पीस ऑफ पेपर. After burning, it is converted into ashes, which is a new compound. Understood? So, chemical reaction means it is a process in which a new substance is formed with the new properties. Understood? Chemical reaction, for example, burning of paper, in which initially we took the paper and after burning it converts into ash. So it is a chemical reaction. ठीक है? Chemical reaction means what beta? It is a process in which a new substance is formed with the new properties. Now, to understand this chemical reaction, or if we will write a chemical reaction, so generally we use the terms reactant and product. So what is a reactant? Reactant means a compound which take part in the chemical reaction or a substance which take part in the chemical reaction. And a new substance which is formed after the chemical reaction is known as product. Understood? Reaction से पहले जो होता है उसको हम reactant बोलते हैं, and after reaction जो compound बनता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Product. Understood? For example, if magnesium ribbon is burned in the presence of oxygen, magnesium and oxygen are the reactants burning, it forms MgO. It is an magnesium oxide. So here this Mg plus O2 are the reactants and this is product. Understood? Chemical reaction means what? A process in which new substance is formed and this substance have new properties. Here we use two terms, reactant and product. Reactant means a compound or a substance which take part in the reaction, and after reaction the compound which is formed with the new properties is known as product. In this example means burning of magnesium. Here Mg and O2 are the reactants and the compound MgO is the product. In our example of paper, see, the paper is a reactant and the ashes are the products.